What's going on, y'all? Jeff coming at you. I know it's been forever and a heartbeat since I've done an update and stuff, and I apologize for that, guys. Fella has just been getting super busy in life, and just really haven't had any time for cars and such, and YouTube videos. But I'm back at it, and I figured since my first video I ever shot on YouTube was about me using my manual tire changer to put on a set of Chinese lanvigator tires, figured why not do the exact same thing again? So it's wintertime here in Alberta. The snow is starting to come. The temperature's starting to drop. So at first I went out and got a set of snow tires for the Honda Civic, and got so excited, excited for the snow that I bought the first set I seen. A guy told me the bolt pattern and stuff, and they were completely wrong. Never measured them while I was there and stuff. Good thing I didn't pay too much money, but now I'm late in the game and stuff, so I figured I would try out the brand new Chinese tires again. So these ones, oh, it's upside down. Let's flip this around here. These are the Lanvigator Winter Grip HP. Obviously HP stands for horsepower, so can't get any better than that. These are a 195 50/16s. They will hopefully fit on those 16-inch Advan RC Dirt and Rally wheels I have on the Civic. These were a really weird size. I had been shopping around for snow tires for those wheels, and I couldn't find any snow tires at all. But then these two popped up, so I bought a pair. So I have brand new all seasons on the front right now, and the back tires are like severely bald. So I'm gonna swap out the bald tires with these Chinese winter tires. Put the all seasons, the brand new all seasons on the back, put these on the front, and away we go. And I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride in the next couple of videos here. So this video is just saying, I apologize. Just got a little busy and stuff with life. Yeah. Lanvigator. Paid $180 for these two, brand spanking new. That's what I like about Chinese tires. You can really stretch your money out, and I'll give you guys a good, decent, honest review on these things. Never really did a review on the other Lanvigators I had. They were called the Catch Grips, Lanvigator Catch Grips. They were an all-season tire. I had them on that Roadmaster wagon that I had with the LT1 V8. They rode nice. They handled well in the dry. The wet wasn't too... they weren't that good in the wet weather and stuff. The car slid around quite a bit. Braking distance in the wet wasn't the greatest. But other than that, they rode around. They were really quiet. They held their air good. They seemed to wear pretty evenly. I didn't have the car for that long. But I paid like $360 for 4 tires, which is like a really good deal. And that's Canadian dollars, so that's probably only like $110 for Yankees. Yeah, extremely good deal and stuff. So we're going to give the Lanvigator winter tires a go. I'm going to bust out the old manual tire machine and stuff. And then that got me thinking, you know, I've used that manual tire machine lots. And the biggest downside of the manual tire machine is it's really good for steel wheels. It's got metal bars to use with and stuff. So this is the shoehorn part. You know, this helps get the tire onto the rim. But they're known for marring and scratching up rims and stuff. You know, no guys with alloy wheels really use these Princess Auto or Harbor Freight manual tire changers. I don't send my stuff out to a shop, so I'm going to give it a go. So I came up with an idea. Last year, I've done a couple of alloys and stuff, and yeah, I did nick them a little bit. Nothing crazy, but if you have like pristine wheels, which I've never owned a set of, if you have pristine wheels, it's going to scratch them and stuff. So last year I had a whole bunch of electrical tape on here and stuff. And that helps a little bit, but the electrical tape just rips off and stuff. So then I got thinking, I'm like, what else can I do and stuff? So don't know if this is going to work. We'll find out together. Black rubberized undercoating. Maybe it'll last. Maybe it won't. Not too sure. So here I've done this section of it. I'm going to give it about 2 or 3 coats and stuff. And I don't know, maybe it stays on long enough to do 4 wheels without scratching them. If you have a can, you can reapply it every few months and stuff as it just gradually, you know, flakes off and stuff. But it may just work for doing alloy rims. I don't know if it's going to leave some black smudges on the rims, but I'm sure you can clean that up with acetone or something. So just grabbing the can and just lightly giving her a spritzer. So I'm going to see if that's going to work. I'm going to let it dry overnight and stuff. And next weekend, when my lovely girlfriend gets down here, I'm going to get her to film me dismounting and mounting some lanvigator tires on my 16-inch alloy wheels for the Honda Civic. So hopefully that goes well. Hopefully this little trick works. And who knows, maybe it'll work for you guys. Stay tuned. Talk to you guys soon. Like, share, subscribe. Jeff's back.